they want it on this table over here, Peter. Yeah, be my guest.
It's on stage, man. What am I manning?
You can hang here. I'll make sure this is. You're hanging out there.
here in this rack. Okay?
Cool.
But yeah, if you want to just set up shop and be.
Good. Good afternoon, everyone. Sorry for the delay. We were trying to get your awards printed as quickly as possible. And for anyone who's worked at the Design Center, you know the laser was acting up. So, first thing I'm going to do is welcome everyone that's on this platform up here, starting with myself. My name is Peter Zabala. I'm the Director of Operations and Projects for the College of Engineering and Science. We then have our Dean of the College of Engineering and Science, Dr. John Harris. We have our President, Bob King. Our Associate Provost, Dr. Manay Subasi. Our Northrop Grumman Representative for Science, Connor Hill. I think they remember you, Connor. What? I said, I think they remember you. Yeah, maybe. And then our Northrop Grumman Representative for Engineering, Nicholas Cushing. All right, so on behalf of the Office of Student Projects, we would like to welcome you to our 14th annual Northrop Grumman Engineering and Science Design Showcase. We also would like to thank the faculty, staff, admins, judges for all their hard work and time that they put into today, as well as everything leading up to today. Your help, your feedback is invaluable to the success of our students. We hope that you all enjoyed the event, had an opportunity to appreciate the projects, which are a reflection of the commitment and hard work of our students and their application of the knowledge they've learned throughout their 4 years. And I'd like to congratulate you all with a round of applause for every student who's sitting in here right now, who's worked very hard over the past 4 years and in these last couple semesters on all your senior design projects. This is definitely only the beginning of the celebration for you all for the next coming weeks, leading up to graduation, and then further things to come for everyone sitting in this room. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and introduce the Dean of the College of Engineering and Science for a few words, Dr. John Harris.
Thank you, Peter. So welcome to the, I'm going to try to get this right, 14th Annual Northrop Grumman Student Design Showcase for Engineering and Science. I got it right. If you know me, I joined in summer, so this is my first annual one. I heard it was fantastic, and it was. I was so impressed by all the projects. I was involved with the judging. It was so hard to pick the best teams, but we had to do those choices. The hands-on projects, so impressive. All that has gone on. We have a lot of awards to give out, so I'm not gonna drone on. Northrop Grumman, thank you so much for all your help through the years with this event, and I will give it back to Peter.
And before we start the awards, I'd like to invite up President Bob King for a couple words as well.
Wow. Peter, thank you for all the work you do over in the Student Design Center. For those of you that have been there over the last couple weeks, I've actually been sneaking in and trying to pick your brains a little bit in terms of what you were doing. And to our friends, our alums, who are now out in the working world at Northrop Grumman, thank you so much. And to our faculty members who have been teaching and coaching and supporting all of the work that you do to help our students get to the points that they are in their education. Thank you. Please join me in thanking them. And to my colleagues up on the stage, even though you may not be directly in the classrooms, you are providing the direction and support for our faculty that is so vitally important, and thank you both for what you do. This day could not have occurred on a more timely moment for me, because I've spent the front end of the week from Sunday until Wednesday night attending the Space Symposium out in Colorado Springs. And what I saw there, along with, I'm told, nearly 14,000 other people, was the expression of the most remarkable science, whether it's in software development or the hardware that is serving all of the different components of space travel and space exploration, both civilian and military uses. It was a stunning, stunning expression of all of this technology. And my purpose for going there was to meet with the senior executives and General Purdy, some of you may know because he's been commanding the Space Force here at Patrick, picking their brains in terms of what do they envision they will need in terms of talent 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, as they envision their respective businesses and military needs. And I can assure you that every one of you in this room is somebody that they want. And to that extent, as you have perfected your knowledge and your quest for knowledge and the expression of that through the projects that have been on display over in Clemente and in the Design Center when I've been sneaking through there, and up in the Nelson building when I've been through there a couple times. I congratulate you. You inspire me. And I am just delighted to be here and looking forward to seeing who the winners are. Thank you very much.
All right, now for the fun part. So the first thing we're going to do is go through the best in show per category, and I'm going to have Dean Harris help me hand out these awards. All right, if your team or an individual that ends up winning, please come up on the stage. We'll hand you off the award, take your picture, and then move on to the next one. So the first one we're going to do is best in show for aerospace engineering is going to be biofuel, research of methods to decrease emissions in jet engines. Okay. Next, we're going to move on to Best in Show for Biological Sciences, and the winner is Disease-Associated Mutation in Tau Causes Neurodevelopmental Defects. All right, moving on. We're now going to biomedical engineering, and the winner for that category is Ecolinx Wireless Electrolarynx Speech Aid. They tired themselves out. They went to sleep. All right. Best in show for chemical engineering and sciences. Green propylene oxide production via cumene oxidation. All right, our next award is going to be Best in Show for Civil Engineering and Construction Management, and that's going to go to Sustainable Community by 18 Designs and Build LLC. Next up is Best in Show in Computer Science and Software Engineering, and that goes to Automated Drone Navigation with Cognitive Architecture. All right, next, Best in Show in Electrical and Computer Engineering goes to Electric Vehicle, Steve. All right, next, Best in Show for Mathematical Science, testing the relativistic microwave theory of ball lightning with plasma simulations. Next, we have Best in Show for Mechanical Engineering. Goes to PLA S-Tech, PLA Sustainable Technology. Oh, be careful, man. one of the judges over. Next is Best in Show in Ocean Engineering, and that goes to Remora. Next, we have Best in Show for Oceanography, Environmental Sciences, Marine Biology, and Meteorology. And that goes to exploring the role of the diurnal cycle of solar radiation on precipitation over the maritime continent. Next, we have Best in Show in Sustainability, and that is for Ordinance Development, Grant Writing, and Outreach to advance sustainability in the town of Melbourne Beach, Melbourne. And our last category is for Best in Show in Physics and Space Science. That goes to Electrostatic Dust Lofting, a possible cause for beam losses at CERN's LHC. All right, this year is going to be our first year. We've added an award for our Honors College participants. So I'm going to invite up Dr. Mane Subasi to help me give this award. So Best in Show for our Honors College this year is ExoArm. Next, I'd like to invite up Connor Hill to represent Northrop Grumman and the Science Champion.
First off, thank you for having all of us here. Actually, me and Nicholas represent Northrop Grumman. Most of the judges for this year for Northrop Grumman were actually alumni from Florida Tech. And so we love to come back and see what our alma mater is doing, both in sciences and engineering. And we both witnessed some very impressive projects this year. So we wish you luck in whatever you have after graduation, whether you're continuing on with your educations or going into industry or what have you. But now to award the Science Award for Northrop Grumman, we have Electrostatic Dust Lofting, a possible cause for beam losses at CERN's LHC.
All right, moving on. I'm going to now invite up Nicholas to present the Northrop Grumman Engineering Champion.
Hey guys, you guys did an awesome job. I mean, you guys really knocked it out of the park. The amount of hours you guys put into these projects was incredible. We could really tell from watching and walking around and hearing you guys talk. So thanks for putting on a show for us. It was awesome. Having said that, the Northrop Grumman Best in Show for Engineering is by prop. Thank you.
There was any. All right, next I'll have President Bob King help me hand off the next award. So this is going to be the President Cup Award for Science, and that's going to go to Analysis of NavCam-1 Image Anomalies at Bennu. All right, and our final award is going to be the President Cup Award for Engineering, and that is going to go to Remora. All right, so before we conclude, we have a few announcements. For the judges that are still here, please save the date for Showcase 2024. That's going to be on April 19th of 2024. For students, please remember that tomorrow is Discovery Day from 10:30 to 1:30. It's expected that at least one of your team members, if you're in a team of more than two, is there at any time to help talk to prospective students and parents. All the items that you brought besides the posters need to be taken from the Clemente Center no later than 1:30 tomorrow. So don't take anything today. Make sure do not take your posters. We will take all of those down for you. But tomorrow, before 1:30, please go ahead and take your laptops, computer screens, any additional things that you brought with you. If you are a team of one that brought anything and you're not going to be at Discovery Day tomorrow, please go back to Clemente after this and clean that up. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, so that's all I have for announcements. Again, I want to congratulate all the participants for a fantastic showcase. I hope that you enjoyed your hands-on learning experience here at Florida Tech, and you continue to grow and become some of the best engineers and scientists in the world. It has been an honor watching you all at the Design Center. You are the reason that I enjoy coming to work every day. The effort and willingness to challenge yourselves every day to solve problems and continue to push your educational boundaries is an amazing characteristic that I hope you all take into your futures. This showcase is just the beginning of the celebration of you at this university. We hope that you enjoy your graduation, and we are excited to see where your future takes you. We hope to see many of you give back to the student design experience and process in the future. And with that, I thank you for coming, and I'd like to bring up the Dean one more time for some closing remarks.
Okay. So, students, fantastic job. Congratulations. I believe there's some parents here, so congratulations to you two for everything. Faculty are here, staff. Great job with this. Northrop Grumman thanked everybody, and I want to thank special person Shelley Johnson and I planned this. So Peter Zappala, thank you for all that you've done. He's run this entire show, tirelessly worked. He's going to sleep for the whole weekend, I think, after this. Fantastic job. So let's give him a big hand. And for you. So, fantastic job. You want to say something?
I very much appreciate the recognition. And like I said, you guys make it an honor to come to work every day. I really enjoy it. You know, I know everyone that's at the Design Center that's outside of the classroom, so when you show up there, I know you really want to be there. And that just makes life so much easier for me. And I enjoy working with you all. You know, you're my customer, and I appreciate you all being there and the hard work that you guys all do. So thank you. With that, let the celebration begin. Enjoy the rest of your night and your weekend. Be safe.